To perform a Bosu ball squat, make sure you start standing on top of the ball with both of your feet evenly placed with your hips, shifting the weight evenly between each foot. You're going to make sure as you go down that you push your hips back behind you, keeping the center of your gravity down the middle of the foot and going as deep as you feel comfortable and safe. Start out slow so that you don't lose your balance, and try really hard to keep even weight distributed between each foot as you come up as well. Push through the middle of the foot and tighten that core, squeezing the glutes as you come to the top.